These are the new ones.
The new ones. Yeah, how much they asking for?
300. Size is small.
What size? I like these. But they only came in women's sizes. I like these right here too.
Those are ugly.
They're not ugly. You just don't know how to pick shoes.
These are better.
What look better?
These are.
I don't like them. I don't like them.
I don't know these.
What? See, these the fours I was talking about that came out this weekend.
Those are ugly. I seen them. Somebody got them.
But you like the ones in your hand. How much they asking for those? How much?
400.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah, everybody saying about these. We in the Nike store. They're still sitting here. Got these joints. Yeah, they got them. Got these. Got them. You like these? What they want for these? You don't like none of them? He already caught him something. He don't know what he want. They ain't got no Air Force Ones in here?
Can't find them.
We're going to have to go back to another store.
We went to the first one we came from.
Yeah. I just wanted to post this though, y'all, because they still sitting. I talk all that shit online and look at them. They're still sitting.